Let's make Puran Puli. 1 cup boiled chana dal, mash it well, keep aside. Take a pan, add 75 ml ghee, add half teaspoon cardamom powder, then add mashed dal. Saute it well until its raw smell goes away. Add half cup sugar, then add few pinches of orange food color. Then mix it well, continuously stirring spatula until ghee separates from sugar. It was perfectly cooked. Then add few chopped dry fruits. Mix it well, then keep aside. Chana dal halwa is ready. Take a bowl, add 2 cup wheat flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 cup water. Mix it well and then make a fine dough. Add 2 teaspoon oil on it. Then make small peras. Then make a round shaped chapati. Then spread over chana dal meetha on chapati. Then add another chapati over it. Then make a frills all around chapati. Then add 1 teaspoon ghee. Then add puran puli on it. Cook on medium flame. Then add more few teaspoon ghee. Then turn the other side of chapati. Cook few seconds. Then yummy delicious puran puli is ready. Then make puran puris one by one like this. And fluffy puran puri is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.